test everything. Every piece of content should be a test and an experiment, and you have to have a place where you store these experiments. So making sure that you have a document, a tracker is going to be essential in your content creation journey. Everyone wants to become a content creator, but no one is actually showing you how. My name is Georgie-Ann, and I'm a business coach who became a paid content creator in less than 6 months. In my series, Content Creator 101, I show you step by step exactly how to start your content creation journey. Let's dive in. When you start off these tests, you want to create an hypothesis, right? And we've all heard of this before. If I do this trend with this audio, then these are the results that I expect to happen. Document that. Then once you make that video, go back in. Did you achieve the expected results based on participating in that trend with that audio? If you're tracking it, you can see if this type of activity worked and if it didn't. If it did work, continue doing more of that. If it didn't work, you know you can scrap it or you could pivot it and adjust it a little bit and try it again. The second thing is to play with different formats. You could do voiceovers. You could do a lot of B-roll. You could do captioning on screen. You could edit how you do the captionings on screen. Is it above your head? Is it below your head? Is it fast paced? Is it a lot of fast cuts? Experiment with how you're making and putting out your content. Also, don't judge the results too early. One post may be an anomaly. Maybe the time and date you posted it could be key factors. But if you're going to repeat that test with 5, 10 posts, now you have a tangible data source to see, does this work or does this not work? Continue the experiment. And lastly, when something works, keep doing it until it no longer works. Double down on it, triple down on it. Keep pushing that out until it no longer works. Still do your experiments, still try different things because one day it may stop working, but when something works, you stick with it and you keep pushing forward that type of content. Remember, growth comes from doubling down, not reinventing the wheel every time. In the next episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to use trends without losing your voice and authenticity within your content. So make sure you go ahead and follow me so you can be notified when the next video drops.